Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to discuss two very important banking news articles for the finance current affairs session. So in the first one, we will be discussing about the ICICI Bank that has launched the digital ecosystem for all the MSMEs. What is the meaning of all the MSMEs? Why the ICICI Bank has launched this digital ecosystem? What is this digital ecosystem? How it will be provided to all the MSMEs? All of this we will be going to see in today's session, as well as the other news article, that is the Indian Bank has provided the pre-approved personal loan. Under which project it has been approved, that we will be seeing, and all about these news articles. Let me tell you that direct questions can be asked from the banking news articles. Okay, so these news articles become very important because direct questions can be asked. So now, before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session, and you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now, starting with the first news article, that is the ICICI Bank has launched India's open for all digital ecosystem for the MSMEs. When I talk about open for all, that is the MSMEs that are the customers of ICICI Bank, as well as the MSMEs that are the customers of some other bank, that also can avail this digital ecosystem that is being provided by the ICICI Bank. So, ICICI Bank has launched India's first open for all comprehensive that is a detailed digital ecosystem for all the micro, small and medium enterprises in the country, which can be used by the customers of other banks also. So usually what happens that whenever any bank launches any activity, any platform, any ecosystem, that is for the customer of its own bank. But now the ICICI Bank has provided a digital ecosystem that is not only for the customer of its own bank, but for the customers of other banks also, especially for the MSMEs. Why? Because in the statement, ICICI Bank said that we think that MSMEs, we know that MSMEs are the backbone for the country. Okay, that's why we are providing such a detailed digital ecosystem, such a comprehensive digital ecosystem for the MSMEs of all the banks. The digital ecosystem offers three main things, that is, first is enhanced banking services, better banking services. Second is banking services to MSMEs who are customers of other banks also, and a range of value added services for all. Okay, in this, different services will be provided to different sections, like the POS terminals could be availed, the UPI system, or we can say the payment system can be given. So many services, many value added services will be given. Next is anyone can avail the benefits of digital solutions by downloading the new version of the InstaBiz app or at the bank's corporate internet banking platform. So this is the InstaBiz app, that is a super app especially for the business banking. Okay, so I hope you understand that this is the app through which this digital ecosystem will be provided, the value added services will be provided, the enhanced banking services will be provided, and the banking services to MSMEs of other banks will also be provided through this app, that is the business banking app. Okay. So now MSMEs who are customers of other banks can avail the host of services by logging in as guest. So the other bank customers can log in this app as the guest mode, in the guest mode. Okay. So now what are the benefits of bringing this digital ecosystem? The ecosystem which offers an array of industry first solutions. Okay, these are the digital solutions for that is for the first time the industry is getting, the banking segment is getting. Brings forth a significant shift from existing industry practice where banks service only to their customers. So currently what happens, like I told you, if a bank is bringing any activity, any product, any platform, anything, that is for the customers of its bank only. But now the ICICI Bank has come up for all the MSMEs, for all the other banks also. So that is a significant shift from existing industry practice. Okay. Next is one of the services it provides is sanction of instant and paperless overdraft facility up to rupees 25 lakh. Okay, and through Insta or OD Plus, which enables customers of any bank to avail of an overdraft instantly. So it is providing the overdraft facility that is of 25 lakhs, and that also instantly through the digital platform of Insta OD Plus. and customers of ICICI Bank can activate the overdraft into their current account instantly, and if you are not the customer of the ICICI Bank, still you can have it while customers of other banks can do so after opening of a current account with the bank digitally through the video KYC. So you can instantly open the account and instantly take the overdraft facility. So this is also provided by the bank through the InstaBiz or InstaOD Plus. So next is additionally through InstaBiz, merchants, retailers and professionals like doctors and lawyers etc. can instantly accept payments through UPI and cards. They can generate QR code and even digitally apply to POS. Other services like value-added services, they can instantly convert into the online mode in 30 minutes or so. So many value-added services are being provided through the InstaBiz. As I told you in the previous slide only, many value-added services, many enhanced facilities will be provided through the InstaBiz. But I hope you have understood the main motto of this news article is that ICICI Bank is providing the services, digital ecosystem for the MSMEs, and not only the customer of its own bank but the customers of all the other banks also. Okay, there was a previous year question also, and in that in the feature it was specifically asked that it is for the customers of its own bank, and that was the correct answer. So here maybe the question in the features it might be asked that it is for the customers of ICICI Bank only. So you have to cross it. You have to say no, it is not only for the customers of its own bank but the customers of other banks also. Okay, MSME customers of other banks also. So next news article is Indian Bank launches pre-approved personal loan product under Project Wave. So I have told you that this is Project Wave under which the pre-approved personal loan product will be provided, has been launched, we can say. Okay, so which bank? Indian Bank. So Indian Bank has launched its maiden digital product pre-approved personal loan under the project World of Advanced Virtual Experience. So you have to remember the full form because it can be asked that what does W stand for in Wave, in Project Wave. So it is important. The full form is very important, which will be serviced only through digital channels. So this digital product, that is the pre-approved personal loan, will be only provided through the digital channels. Okay, and what is the pre-approved personal loan? That is without manually doing any documentation, without manually going to any place, without providing much documentation. It is pre-approved because the bank has already done all the it want to do the credit servicing, or it want to see that what credit rating you have and how better you are a customer as a loan taker and all. It has done all that kind of things. It doesn't need any further documents personally, manually, and so it is through the digital channels. It is a pre-approved personal loan that will be provided very fast. So in the digital product will provide its customers with instant loan disbursement in 3 simple steps. In 3 very simple steps through the digital channels, the loan will be disbursed in the instant manner. That is why it is a pre-approved personal loan. No much approval is needed, no manual going there, no manual submission of the documents is needed. Okay. So it is instant loan disbursement that is happening. The PAPL loan can be availed via Indo-OSIS mobile app, the bank's website and the internet banking facility. So all the digital channels that are there with the Indian Bank will be applicable for the PAPL loan, that is the pre-approved personal loan, that is the instant loan disbursement mechanism, we can say. The loan would carry an interest rate of 10% per annum with no foreclosure charges. So if you pay beforehand, like the loan is of 1 year but 2 years but you pay beforehand, so still there is no foreclosure charges. Means if you are paying beforehand only, there won't be any charges. You can even close the loan in 6 months. If you have money, you can close it. Okay, so there is no foreclosure charges, with the flexibility to opt for a loan tenure between 24 to 48 months. So the loan tenure is of 24 months to 48 months. At the start of the year, see in January 2022, So we have discussed about the pre-approved personal loan that has been released recently by the Indian Bank under the project Wave. Okay, so this project Wave was launched in January 2022. So at the start of the year, Indian Bank announced their commitment to usher in a period of digital transformation. Okay, the Indian Bank, like the RBI, is promoting so much digital payments. It is promoting digital ecosystem. Similarly, now the banks are also going in the same line, and now they are also bringing many apps, many different platforms. Okay, so this Indian bank also has said that we want to go to the digital transformation. We want to enter into the period of digital transformation at Indian Bank through the project Wave. And so the project Wave was launched in January 2022, and in April 2022 under the project Wave, this pre-approved personal loan product has been launched under the project Wave. So I hope you have understood all of this, and these were the two important news articles. Direct question can be asked that what is the W stands for, under which bank the digital product has been provided, or which mobile bank is helping for this PAPL loan, or is this available manually also or only through digital channels, or like the options can be given. So now I hope you will be able to answer all these questions. So now these are the two questions, and as you can see that direct questions in the previous year in 2019, you can see direct questions has been asked, and so I have provided you with these questions so that you become comfortable with answering such kind of questions. Okay, so I hope you can easily answer these questions now.